So this is the project itself. And what we did, this is a presentation. So I will send you the link in order to see that. It's a link, it's like a video. And you will manage to, if you have any question, just take note and send me your questions according to that. Donc, si vous avez des questions, je vais vous envoyer le lien pour cette vidéo. Donc, vous allez voir et puis vous allez poser les questions que vous voulez après coup. So, coming back to this project, what we are doing. So this morning I've sent the chart and to CAVB in order to be approved as the first project, the Youth Olympic Games project was approved, and I'm waiting just for the approval, I mean the signature. Donc on a envoyé la charte du projet à la KVB et on attend la signature. What I would like to do now is just to share with you the chart. Donc je vais maintenant partager avec vous la charte du projet. Can you see something? Right? It's okay?
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay. So in CAVB Online Academy, so this chart is mandated. Hi, Ndibo. You are too late, my friend, with Ihsan and Anas. Really too late. Really.
Yeah,
really.
Anyway.
Sorry.
No, we will discuss that later on. Don't worry. So, what happened is that this is the form of the chart. Donc ça, c'est la forme ou le formulaire de la charte du projet. Donc tous nos projets sont de cette façon-là. So every single project we are developing in CAVB Online Academy will take this form. Doesn't matter about the color. Huh? I'm not speaking about the color.
Yeah.
I'm speaking about the form, the content. So what is happening? So the department is the Online Academy. The project title is Scholastic Beach Volleyball. So you should now emphasize that in your mind. So the project is Scholastic Beach Volleyball. That's it. Then the corporate or the owner is CAVB. So the supervisor will be myself. And we decide that Mr. Ihsan Bukhar will be the deputy project manager. Donc, on va avoir donc l'académie et puis la KVB qui est le propriétaire de ce projet. Donc, ma personne, je suis le supervisor. Et donc, en dessous de ça, donc avec l'équipe, il va y avoir Monsieur Ihsan Bukhar qui est deputy project manager. Et nous avons, we have 11 names. So, nous avons 11 noms. So, we have Anas Djouri. We have Faiz Al-Daoud. We have Fedinirina Andriana. We have Ndibo Lebala. We have Donna Michel Sanou. We have Pana Agolo. We have Christine Maniania. We have Dr. Zainab Al-Sayed. We have our future Dr. Berhani Asrat Bekele. And we have Meseret Kassé. So those are the team. The team who will develop the project. I am clear on that. The team, it's with a big T. Donc c'est l'équipe de travail. It's a team. Okay. So with that, we gave a high priority to the project. The project had a high priority in CAVB. Then it is fitting, as I showed you, donc comme je vous l'ai montré, it is fitting with the map, the strategic map, and the planning, the strategic planning. Donc, ça rentre dans l'optique du projet, de la carte stratégique et des objectifs stratégiques. Then, it's aligned also with the objective, the strategic objective. Donc, il est en cohérence avec les 3 objectifs de la KVB, les objectifs stratégiques. So it's aligned with the objective, the strategic objectives, or the 3 pillars, this project. Then, with which goals? So we have 5 above 6 goals. So we have the first goal, which is increase and retain, ensure continuity, develop capabilities, increase participants, and promote beach volleyball as leading destination. So those are the 5 goals. Donc ça, ce sont les 4 objectifs, hein, avec lesquels ce projet est en ligne, est en alignement. Then I just put it here a small description, which is mandatory. Donc j'ai mis ici une description sommaire sur le projet, what we will do. So for that, I will give you access for those documents. I will give the team access inside the platform. There is an area called projects, CIVB project. So you will get inside and we will use this area. I mean that every single document we are developing will be inside this area. Let's say that Ndibo developed some points, his tasks. So he has to post it inside the platform. Don't send me WhatsApp, don't send me email, nothing. We have an area, we have a share folder or a share collaborative, let's say collaborative space for us, only for this project. So we will share everything there. Donc nous avons un espace de collaboratif dans la plateforme. Je vais vous montrer. Et donc nous allons travailler dedans. Then, what can be the expected outcomes? So we said that there is developing beach volleyball curriculum, donc un cursus d'enseignement de l'éducation physique. We have also developed PE teacher training programs, donc un programme de formation des entraîneurs. Increase number of players, donc l'augmentation du nombre d'athlètes. These are included in the first philosophy we have, transfer of knowledge, donc le transfert de connaissances. This is one. Regarding the beach volleyball promotion and development, we will increase the number of players and we will develop the skills, the training skills of the athletes. Donc, nous allons augmenter le nombre d'enfants participants et nous avons développé un programme d'entraînement. Regarding the sustainability and legacy, we will develop school sports association concept. Donc, nous allons développer le concept des associations sportives, des APS, and increasing the number of events. Donc, nous allons aussi augmenter le nombre d'événements. So, what we mean by increased number of events for the people who came later, so we have 2 things. We have first increasing the number of between schools and classes, etc. So this is an internal policies within the Ministry of Education of this or that country. But from our side as CIVB, we will develop an event or a competition system for schools. I mean African school, medium school, or secondary school beach volleyball championship. And as I told you, we will, inshallah, by 2022, we will maybe host the World Championship. Donc, nous allons développer un concept aussi d'événements. Donc, pour les événements interscolaires et interclasses, donc c'est pas notre problème. Ça reste toujours la prérogative et les prérogatives des institutions et des ministères. Mais pour nous, en tant que CIVB, nous allons justement monter 2, ça sera dans les outcomes, dans les deliverables, dans le produit. Nous allons développer un système de championnat africain et nous allons tout faire pour qu'en 2022, on puisse organiser le championnat du monde du beach volleyball scolaire. So by 2022, we will organize that. So now, in order to understand the project, as I told you, we will develop it. We will not implement it. Donc, nous allons, pour que vous compreniez, nous allons, pourquoi on va développer ce projet. mais pas le mettre en place. Le mettre en place, c'est une autre étape. So to implement the project is another step. We don't care about that. Guys, we don't care about about the implementation. Don't come to me and give the, yes, we think that we can implement in Botswana like that and in Uganda like that. No. Actually, we are developing the curriculum, the concept, the project, the product. Donc, nous allons maintenant, il faut comprendre une chose, ne venez pas demain me dire, oui, on pense que on peut monter de cette façon au Burkina Faso et au Soudan de cette façon. Non, I don't care. Non, maintenant, nous allons développer le projet. Donc, à la fin de ce projet, de la période butoir, on doit remettre un document, un manuel, OK? On doit remettre un manuel, on doit remettre un deuxième manuel pour les enseignants et on doit remettre un Padlet. So we will deliver at the end of this project a PE manual, curriculum PE manual. We will deliver a teacher manual, and we will deliver a Padlet. How things can be shared. You should understand that. So you are the engineers. You are the, I don't know, the architect of the project. You are not the team who will implement it. Donc c'est ça le. So regarding that, we should understand the scope of our project. In which area we can move. Donc là, par rapport à ça, à cette introduction, je vais vous parler de qu'est-ce qu'on va ou quelles sont les zones dans lesquelles on va travailler. So, regarding the first point is build a continental database. Donc, construire une base de données continentale. Donc, we will have girls and boys information. So, the whole federation should submit a registration. So, we have a form. So, we will send them a form. Then, we have to develop a battery of tests and assessment. Donc, une batterie de tests et d'évaluation. And we have also to implement the teaching plans and programs. Donc, les programmes, les plans, on va délivrer aussi les plans. Si vous voulez la séance du cours. So the lesson session and the program. This is regarding build a continental database. Donc, ce qui concerne la base de données. Then we will find and define training poles. Donc, nous allons essayer de trouver les pôles, les écoles, et ça, donc, ça sera avec les fédérations, avec les pays. So it will be between CAVB, board, and countries, and ministries, and schools, etc. Then, assigning working group to each pole. So, donc, nous allons aussi décider qui c'est qui va, quand on va décider des pôles, qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire, qui c'est qui sera en charge de tel et tel pôle, build the action plan for each pole, donc on va aussi construire le plan d'action, build a beach volleyball curriculum, donc nous allons construire le cursus, teacher training program, and teacher collaborative space. So with those tools, the three tools, we will also open a collaborative space per country, and we can do it as a continental wise. It's a platform, a huge platform, which will be a collaborative space for teachers. Let's say PE teachers, call it PE teacher. So it will be also one of the outcomes. But this is technological. I mean, it's a space, it's a platform, and that's it. Then, PE teacher assessment system. So we have to develop also an assessment system for the teacher in order to assess his students. It will come with the curriculum, but also in order to be assessed, to be evaluated. Donc, il y a l'auto-évaluation de l'enseignant et il y a aussi l'évaluation de sa leçon, de son cours, et puis de l'inspecteur pour l'enseignant, etc. So, we will have So we will also deliver, or we will develop the content according to the level, the school level. I mean, secondary, medium school, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, etc. Grade 10, grade 12. So every grade should have its own programme. Donc, on va voir en fonction des niveaux d'éducation, donc la première, la seconde, le bac, etc. Then the Padlet, which is a system, I will show you that. You will understand. Then the competition program, it's inside our scope. Then the marketing plan. With every single project, we should be clever, and we should define 2 plans: a communication plan and a marketing plan. It's very, very, very important. It's crucial. So for all of you, it will stop on the Padlet. But from me, from Ndibo, and from some people, no. We will work on beyond. I mean, we will work on the marketing plan and on the communication plan. So it's very important. So Ndibo and Tom and myself, we will be in charge of this part. Once the project is done, we will propose that. Why? Because we will not implement it in 1 year. It will take maybe 10 years. Donc ce que je veux dire, Pana et les gars, c'est que dès qu'on a fini le projet, le développement du projet, il y a 2 autres projets ou 2 autres aspects qui sont très, très, très importants, 2 plans, qui sont le plan marketing et le plan de communication. Donc le plan marketing et le plan de communication, ça sera Ndibo, ça sera Tom et moi, et moi-même. Donc on va travailler sur ça. Donc pour que, en fin de compte, nous sortons avec un projet complet. Pourquoi? Parce que la mise en place du projet, elle ne sera pas en 1 année. Elle sera mise en place peut-être sur 10 ans. Donc, on a parlé de sustainabilité, de la pérennité. So it's very important. Now, what is outside the scope, what we cannot develop, we will not develop the competition program for every school, every country, inter-schools, etc. No, it's not in our scope. Then, what can be the assumptions? So, problems are related to how we can monitor that, the laws, the follow-up, what we can do that, etc. So we will develop some steps or some, let's say, strategy in order to avoid that. So the risks, as I said, is local culture, donc la culture locale pour les risques. We have the politics, we have monitoring team, we have the engagement of the national federations, and we have the lack of funds. So those are the risks, and we should define them, and we should try to find a plan for that. So I will discuss with you this aspect. Regarding the project duration, so the project duration, we, in terms of implementation, development is before September 2021. I will show you the planning. So it will take, in order to implement it in Africa, it will take 5 years. This is what we are aiming. Within 5 years, beach volleyball should be part of the curriculum. Donc, au bout de 5 ans, il faudrait que le beach volleyball soit dans le cursus scolaire en Afrique, dans les institutions africaines. Now, we have the stakeholders here, the contact type. Donc, on a mis aussi les partenaires, les types de contacts que nous avons. So we have a type of CIVB ministries, NFs ministries, CIVB national federations, ministries, national federations, ministries, education institutions, etc. Those are the type of communication. When we will develop with Ndibo and Tom, when we will develop the communication plan, we will come to that, how things will work. Then, regarding the budget, this is not my aim but I'm just proposing that to the corporate. Corporate is the CIVB, and they have to approve or not. Maybe we will discuss, because we will discuss the breakdown. Donc, c'est un budget qui est mis comme ça. Donc, on va le négocier avec la CIVB. Et la CIVB, elle peut accepter, elle peut refuser, on peut trouver des partenaires, etc. Donc, ça, c'est une autre histoire. It's another story. Then, the milestones of the project, donc les points, les bornes importantes pour ce projet. So will be by July 2020, we will have enough communication. So we will communicate the project to the national federations. On September 2020, we will communicate that to every single country in Africa. By November 2020, we should finalize the different programs. Donc nous devons, en novembre 2020, on aura tout fini, on aura fini tous les programmes. Then, by December 2020, donc en décembre 20, nous devons choisir les pays pilotes. So we will choose the pilot countries. And regarding that, we don't have to put our noise. To be honest, maybe I will be the only person who can give his opinion. Why? As I told you, that this is a political aspect. It's not technical. You understand? This is not only our hand. It's political. I mean that, let's say that CIVB maybe will contact directly some countries, or it maybe they will spread that to every country, and then we will choose 1, 2, 3, 4 countries. I don't know. I don't know. So this is not, at least this is not our business. Donc ce n'est pas notre problème. Then, the choice of pilot educational institution will be through the countries and the national federation. It will be by January 2021. Then, set of meetings, presentations, and pilot educational institution. So it will be until May 2021. I mean that we will have even visio conferences, or we will travel to the pilot educational countries and institutions and explain to them. I mean, you, the team. Donc, nous allons organiser jusqu'à de janvier à mai 2021, une série de réunions et une série de présentations aux pays et aux institutions pilotes pour leur expliquer le fonctionnement. Donc, c'est sûr que vous aurez à aller là-bas, vous aurez à discuter avec les enseignants, avec les dirigeants, etc., etc. Donc, c'est toute une procédure. Then, by September 2021, it's not 2022 here, it's 2021. Okay? This is not 2020, 2021, but we will start the first experience. Donc, en septembre 2021, nous allons commencer la première école. So we will start the first teaching session in a school. So we have practically 1 year and 3 or 4 months. Then we have certain deliverables, which are the national curriculum, teaching program content, teaching training program, assessment, continental collaborative space, and student Padlet. So this is mainly the document. So this is the document. Ça, c'est le document. Ça, c'est le document qu'on a soumis, que j'ai soumis ce matin. Donc, il y a quelques rectificatifs, je vais le rappeler. Et donc, on rentre dans cette sphère pour justement présenter le projet. Donc, so it's this is mainly what we did and what we have to do. Now, if you can allow me to show you what we mean by Padlet. If you can allow me to do that, I will be more than happy. Scholastic. So I will share with you. So this is is a tool to every single teacher or school institution. Donc, c'est un outil que tous les enseignants devraient avoir pour travailler avec leurs élèves. So, in order to work with their kids. So, here we have just a sample. It's larger than this one, but here we have just a sample. So, in this sample, I will show you now, for instance, the project presentation. So, we have here a presentation done by Mr. Ihsan Bukhar. I hope that it will work. Okay, so he is presenting the project. So I will not. Donc ça c'est une présentation. So Ihsan Bukhar was presenting the project, or not the project, the concept of the curriculum. Then we have also, Ihsan developed this presentation. Okay, it's in French, but we will translate. Donc c'est une présentation pour le guide pédagogique, so the educational guide or the curriculum, as you know. So this is only the milestones. Then in this area, we have, let's say, techniques, plan, evaluation, etc. So every single coach, or when we will develop the whole program, the whole content, we will post here this kind of information. Let's say, let's just example. Donc, an example, so that we will speak about the set in beach volleyball. Donc, la passe. Donc, what we will do, we will post such just presentation, or the teacher can put here the recommendations as a teacher. It can be even in mathematics, in physics, in every single let's say every branch. Then with that, you can add a video. You see? So this is a video showing us how to make set. So this is the same for the digging. Let's say a presentation of what is digging with the teacher instructions, okay, how to deal with that, etc. And what can be the challenges. Then we can make also a video. Then serve, etc., etc. So this is, we call it techniques. Now the plan. The teacher can put also the plan. The plan will be like that. For instance, here, sporting school lesson plan. So we will develop that. This is what we will develop as content. So the sport, it's sessions, how to use this lesson. So within 45 minutes, what we will do, the warm-up, the new skills practice, playing game, etc. So how we can develop that. Delivery essentials, love the games, etc. with some instructions, and then the sessions. So this is the first session, the set. Second, and some how to make a volleyball warm-up, etc., etc., etc. The set, etc. We can add some pictures, we can add some videos, whatever. So this is also, this is the second deliverable. Ça, c'est le deuxième produit. So the first deliverable is the curriculum, le cursus, and the second one is the content. This is the program, the session program. So secondary school, medium school, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, every grade has its own program. Donc chaque classe, chaque niveau a son propre programme. Then we can also have such presentation of the lesson, of the session, the teaching lesson like that. So we can develop also for the teachers such a form, or maybe the teachers, they have their own forms, they will develop like that. So just in order to understand in order to understand how things are will work. Then we can also add the evaluation. It can be quiz, it can be exercises, it can be videos, etc. So this is the Padlet. The Padlet is a tool for teachers to help students. Donc le Padlet, c'est un moyen d'aide pour des enseignants, pour les élèves. This is what we will develop also. But once developing the form, the teachers, they have to interact. It's not us. Donc nous n'allons pas, nous allons le développer, mais nous n'allons pas le mettre en ligne. Ce sont les enseignants et les écoles qui vont le mettre en ligne. Donc chaque école, elle va acheter un espace et elle va le mettre. Ça ne coûte rien du tout. Hein? So this is, it has practically no cost. Huh? It's maybe $15 or something like that. So it's nothing. So we can, for instance, we can assign a certain budget for the countries, and we will buy for them their own Padlet, their own space. So this is mainly what we have and what we had and what we need to develop. So for this meeting, I just was speaking alone because I have to send you or to give you the information. Part of this meeting is recorded, so I will put it on YouTube in order to come back to it and try to see what is going on. But it was only a part of the meeting. Then I will send you also the presentation link in order to see what is going on. Have a look on that. Then within a couple of days, so we will have another meeting in order to define the tasks and the team tasks. So, donc, dans quelques jours, on va se réunir une deuxième fois pour définir les tâches et les équipes. Donc, les équipes, qu'est-ce qu'elles font? Quelles sont les équipes qui font quoi? Et ainsi de suite. The third thing is that, please, we have French-speaking people and we have English-speaking people. So I will be more than happy if we can work in one language in the beginning. It doesn't matter. English, French, doesn't matter for me. But it's very important. And then we can translate later on. So we have to work in only one language. Then the fourth thing that actually I have we have only 9 people and we are missing 3 people. So I would like to see what happened with them. Maybe it's a problem of network. Then during the next week, the next meeting, we will also I will also just show you the project process, and we have to get inside the planning. So on the planning, you will see what can be your tasks and what you will do and what you will not do. Donc, dans la prochaine réunion, on va voir la planification du projet. D'accord. So, I'm so sorry because I was I was speaking more than 1 hour. So I will not, if you don't mind, I will not give you a pool to ask any question. Because this is not, it was not the objective. The objective was only the presentation. So I will just transfer to you the link of the presentation and the link of this meeting. Read it. Then, if you have any questions, okay, we will come back on that. Maybe through not through WhatsApp, but through maybe the collaborative space in the platform. So now maybe within a couple of, let's say within 10 minutes, I will just build a space and I will send you also the link in order to get inside. Maybe we will post there, we will make a forum in order to exchange ideas, and we will develop some questionnaires, etc. So now what is requested from you, ce qui est demandé maintenant à tout le monde, is to come back to the literature review. Donc, c'est de revenir sur la bibliographie. So try to find out, there is a lot of literatures, so try to find what happened all around the world. We're not speaking about beach volleyball, no, in general. Maybe we have here people from 12 countries, maybe every country has its own curriculum. So it will be interesting if we can share your whole curriculums. I mean, from Morocco, Botswana, Zambia, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, etc. So it will be great if you can collect those informations in order to gain time for the next meeting. So if you don't mind, I was very happy to welcome you and try to just to be in contact during this few days. I'm waiting for the approval of the CAVB, and then we will start to work. So go to the literature review, go to the videos, go to the presentation, make your question, put your questions, and let me know by don't know, tomorrow, after tomorrow, but this is within this couple of days. Okay, guys, ladies, is it okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Son, okay. Christine, is it okay?
Okay.
Dr. Zainab? Okay.
Okay.
Son, okay.
Thanks.
Faiz?
Yes.
Okay. Pana,
Okay.
est-ce que c'est bien? Tu es satisfaite? Pardon? Tu n'es pas satisfaite? Et tu n'es pas satisfaite, tu vas tu n'es pas satisfaite, tu vas au Botswana. Go to Christine. In Christine country, it's actually school. It's very cool now. So, see you inshallah. See you soon. And thank you.
Apollo, you should come to Zimbabwe.
Ah, Zimbabwe. Yeah. She has to come back. She has to come to Zimbabwe. So see you soon, inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you.